ang on-the-spot na tugon at aksyon sa inyong mga sumbong at hinaing. #palatawag.
Ito po mula kay Mr. Cornelio, retired public school teacher from Dasmariñas, Cavite. Ito po kanyang salaysay. Good day po, Chief Acosta. I am Mr. Cornelio, 62 years old, a retired public school teacher from Dasmariñas, Cavite. I would like to ask for assistance from your good office to help me with my problem regarding a vehicular accident involving my son, Neil Joseph, and the driver of another vehicle driven by Mr. Dizon on February 28, 2025.
On the said date, we were brought to Silang Police Office for investigation and see the actual footage of the incident. From the point of view from the CCTV footage, the alleged car driven by Mr. Dizon cut the vehicle driven by my son, which caused damage on the right fender of the vehicle.
We agreed that the damage caused by collision of the vehicles be shouldered by him using his insurance claim. It is unfortunate that up to this time, he was not able to settle the payment of the damage on our vehicle beside constant reminders.
It would be great of help for me if you will grant me my request for help. Thank you, ma'am.
Ayan, Sir Cornelio, kumusta na po kayo?
Gandang hapon po nun.
Kayo
Mabuti
ilang taon
naman
na
po.
ngayon?
Ako po ay isang retiradong teacher na po.
Ilang taon na po kayo?
Hello po.
Okay po, mas bata pa yata
Ilang
kayo
taon?
sa akin.
Ilan?
Okay
62
na po,
daw
sige
po.
po Sir Cornelio. Nasa sumpo ang ating abogado ng Pau Tagaytay, si Attorney Pilayo. Christian, nandiyan ka ba?
Yes po, Chief. Good afternoon po, Chief.
I-refer ko sa iyo si Teacher Cornelio, retired teacher. Tulungan
Yes po,
mo.
Chief. Okay po, Chief.
I-demand letter mo yung nakabangga sa kanila. Nangako daw magbabayad, di nagbayad.
Yes po, Chief.
Demand letter muna, wag mo muna ipakukulong yung
Yes po.
driver. Okay, Sir
Sige po,
Cornelio, nadidinig yung ba boses ni Attorney Pilayo?
Ma'am.
O sige, tatawagan kanya ngayon, ibibigay ko telepono mo sa kanya. Christian, bahala ka na kay
Yes po.
Sir. Mag-report ka sa akin kung naayos mo na to.
Yes
Pagbayarin
po, Chief.
mo,
Kami na po ba?
yung bumangga, okay? Obligasyon nila yon. Binangga nila hindi kailangan. Magbayad sila, danyos, okay?
Daños perwisyo.
Oh,
Yes po,
sige,
Chief.
thank you, Sir
Thank you po,
Cornelio.
Chief.
Mabuhay ka.
Maraming salamat po, ma'am.
Thank you po,
Oh, huwag ka
attorney.
malungkot.
Thank you po.
Kaya mo pa yan. Bata ka pa sa akin eh. Kaya mo yan. Okay. Sir Cornelio,
Salamat,
bye-bye.
sir.